Hey guys, this is Paul from Massview, and I have a really cool feature to tell you about and show you inside of the Massview Chrome extension and also on massview.com. So if you've seen this show up, that's what it's all about. It's really cool. So if you go to massview.com, the first place you can do this is go to the calculator, and basically this is for free right now on massview.com. You just go to massview.com/FBA-calculator. And you can put in an ASIN, so this is the little number in any Amazon URL right here. You can copy that and put it in right here into the calculator and press search, and then we're gonna pull up all kinds of awesome information for you to help you understand basically any product on Amazon. So what we do is we go ahead and pull in the dimensions, the weight. We actually calculate the shipping weight. This is what Amazon's going to charge you based on the dimensions and the weight of the product. And then we figure out what tier it would be in for FBA. And so what happens is basically what this thing does is we calculate all of the fees that you would pay for this product, and then you can punch in any other information you want, and it's gonna calculate your price that you would spend, or what your net profit would be when you sell this product on Amazon. And so basically we take in the price of the product, we calculate the number of storage months that you would have, and you can adjust this if you would want. We have the unit manufacturing cost. So this is the cost that it would cost you to make this. This is an estimate based on the sales price. So if you have your own cost in there, like if you go to Alibaba and search it, you can just change this to whatever you want, and then everything updates on the fly right over here. Then we have your freight costs. So this is how much this product's going to cost you to get it shipped into Amazon from your manufacturer, and that's based off of this number right here. It's based off of a $200 price here. Then we have your FBA fees. Here, this is the FBA fees, your FBA referral fee, and then everything is netted out right here. So on this product in Q4, you're gonna make $1.66, but in the rest of the year, you're gonna make $2.13 a unit. And basically your monthly profit is $56,000 or $43,000 depending on what quarter you're in. And that also depends on your storage time. So if I drop this storage time down to a month, then those numbers get a lot closer together. And then we have your revenue estimate here. So this is the monthly revenue, and then your profit margin and your ROI. And this is available on massview.com and available in the Chrome extension as well. So if you are in Massview, if you have the Chrome extension installed, you just click on calculate fees, and everything is going to show up right here for you as well. So it's a really cool feature that we have built in. You can get a limited amount of lookups per day. So you can get a few lookups per day on massview.com. And then if you sign up for the free version of the Chrome extension, you can get a few more lookups on the free version. And then on our paid plans, you get unlimited use of this in the Massview Chrome extension. So anytime you are browsing a product on Amazon and you want to see what the fees are, what the revenue estimate is, and play with these numbers, you can do that right here inside of the Chrome extension. It's a really cool feature. You can get, like I said, you can use this for free on our free plans, limited use, and then you can get unlimited usage starting on our $24 a month plans and up. Highly recommend this. It's so important to make sure that you have your numbers right in everything. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about using the FBA calculator that we have here for you. And if you need any features, you have any ideas on how to make it better, we would love to make it better for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.